What's up, man? Here with another video talking about, do you know Forex is all about what you know and what you understand about the Forex market, the way the price moves. You understand? And you know that your success is going to be based on what you know and how you think. Okay? It's not about any indicator or whatever. It's about what you already knew about the Forex market. Now let us go and let's go to our analysis and go to the 4-hour time frame or whatever. Then we squeeze our chart to the lowest low and we want to analyze something. Where is the market gonna rise or gonna crash? Now we want to see some things. We've seen the price being up here and there was a crash right here. Okay, then here we got something that looks like trying to retest but did not retest and shoot back down. Okay, no problem. This gives us indication that in the future the price will come back to retest this zone. Okay, but it has not yet done that. But let's see if we do this one. Okay, it has retested. Alright, now we got another move downward, another move downward. Alright, and then we got the breakout from here, this zone, which means what? Which means the price in the future will come back here to retest this zone. Alright, now let us see how it plays around and how it goes. Boom, it continues to go, right? But it's not yet here, right? Alright, we have another leg down, another breakout leg down, alright, which broke out from this zone right here. Alright, broke out from this zone right here, which means what? Which means the price will come in the future to retest this zone. Alright, so now the price got finally here. Let's put a green line on that zone. Got finally here. Let's make this line a green, a kind of green. Okay, let's make it a kind of line that looks like this. Okay, the price got here finally, and then we understand that okay, as it's going up, now what is going to happen? It can retest this place and go back down, or it can retest this place, or it can get here, or in the long run it might get here. All right, now so how does it play? If we want to base a trade on this type of thinking, all right, now let us take a look at something that is going on. We got a leg, came down with a breakout of this zone. This is the leg. Let's do something that looks like this. I don't want to make it complicated, but you know, this is the way Forex is. Okay, let's do something that looks like this. This leg started from here and end up here with a breakout of this zone, and then it got here, which is what, when you look to the left, retest of the previous breakout zone before it ever pushed down to do what? Okay, let's see what it's going to do then. You see, there was a breakout right here. Okay, the price came back to retest it, giving us a leg, you know, that came down, right? Let's roll it with a line. This leg came down, starting from somewhere up here, came down here to do what? To retest the previous breakout zone, which is this. Now we have a breakout zone right here, which has not been retested, which means what? This leg has gone up. Let's roll it with a line. This is the way we gotta be thinking. This leg has gone up, starting from here. Okay, it has gone up. Okay, so now we understand something, that this has gone up. Then it's been breaking those breakout lines. Is it gonna break this breakout line, or is it gonna get to this breakout line? This is what we're thinking. But whichever it gets among those breakout lines, it will sell. And then eventually what happens? If it turns around from here, it's coming here. Do you see how to think in the Forex? But then, if we anticipate that this market is going to turn around from here, how do we play this game? Because if we say, okay, it's going to get here, honestly, this will take a long time, and some people will be impatient. So, what do we do? Based on all this analysis, we shoot back down to the 1 hour, which is the lowest of the 4 hour. We shoot down. So, what are we expecting in our expectation? Now, we got these long legs that has gone up. So, if this price comes back to break this long leg, that means the price is coming down. So, where is it coming? Now, let us do something on the 1 hour time frame. I don't want to make it rough, complicated, but the 1 hour time frame also has its own role to play in something. We got a leg that came down right here, and we got a breakout of it. Which means what? Which means this one that swing high will come back on the 1 hour to swing low, and then it will retest this previous breakout zone. A retest is necessary right here. Okay? Yep. And if ever it breaks it, okay, there is another breakout zone right here. Let me put a line. Another breakout zone is here. Okay. We have another breakout zone right here, which if price breaks this, it's gonna come to this for real. And if it breaks this, then this is the final breakout zone we have. So what are we talking about now? What we're talking about in how to make profit from this, instead of anticipating that the price is gonna turn around after breaking this line, because this is the only season when we're gonna put a sell after breaking this line. It's a big line from the 4 hour, and the daily, this big leg line here. So when this price now break it, look, we want to maximize our profit. We have 3 take profit levels here, which is 1, the green, 2, the green, and 3, the final one, the green, which is the final zone. So we just calculate our lot size that can give us a tangible profit. We set our stop loss, then we put our take profit 1 here, take profit 2 here, and take profit 3 right here. You will realize that as this plays along, in the long run, the price will come and get to this take profit 1, which has given you maybe a quarter of your position. It might shoot down then to this take profit 2, which means half of your position is covered. Then you do what? You go and relax and watch it come to this take profit trade. You see what I mean? This is the way to think about the Forex market. I don't know how to go back to the lowest and the lowest time frame, but except you are using it to look for a kind of entry to, to follow up with the trend. But still, if you dive down based on this analysis, this is the longest leg line, which until it breaks it, okay, until it will break it, this line here, before anything is gonna be done. You see, with the Forex thing we're talking about, okay, it takes patience. You understand? Patience is what it takes, okay, because analysis, doing your analysis, you look at some kind of zone where the previous breakout happened, and you will be expecting a retest, and then you'll be expecting price to pull back from somewhere and go back to retest those breakouts. This is the way the Forex market is, okay, and the waiting season to break this type of line, this long leg line, this is the waiting season and the waiting period, which brings about patience. That when this line is never broken, nothing is going to be done. All you have seen based on this analysis is that you have seen your take profit levels. All right, you have seen your take profit levels 1, 2, 3, and this is where it started, right? You have seen your take profit levels 1, 2, 3, and what are you waiting for? You're waiting for price to give you your entry by breaking this long line. That is where your entry will be, and then at that point you think about your stop loss. What is this meaning to you? It means that you have seen your profit target before the market ever happened. So you understand one fact, that you're going to win this even before the price will ever set to start going back. You're going to win this. Look at what happened here. This is the longest leg coming down. And if you put your wood here, say, okay, this longest leg is coming down, and price is going to go retest the zone it broke while it was coming down. Now look, it got there. Okay, 1, it got here. 2, it got here. And the final one is this one, which we're now thinking, as it's climbing, is it gonna get here? Which it might get here. And that is the reason why you Forex traders needs to know how to wait and let this thing play along, okay? And when this line is broken, that is the only season when you do something. The reason is it might get here, which is where this longest leg breakout happened. That is where it happened. The longest leg breakout happened, which has never even been retested. And this, as it's climbing, might get here. And this line here is the only action line. When it's broken, that is when you can do anything, because the price might get right here. So thank you for watching. This video has become so long, but I will put one of my Facebook message box link under this video that you can message us if you want to be part of us or want to be part of me, my team, or whatever, so that whenever anything is happening in the Forex market, you can be the first set of people to know. And I make this type of video all the time. So cheers and God bless. Bye bye.